Which country is famous for strong women's rights in Europe? Sweden. Which country has many top-ranked universities in the world? United States. Which country has high rates of lung cancer? China. Which country is known for very high rent prices? Singapore. Which country is famous for excellent espresso coffee? Italy. Which European country has very tall men and women? Denmark. Which country is known for high tech salaries? United States. Which country connects Europe and Africa by land? Egypt. Which country is famous for excellent math students? Japan. Which country has many famous daily newspapers? United Kingdom.
Which country was once called Siam? Thailand. Which Asian country is known for spicy street snacks? Thailand. Which country has the second largest population? China. Which country is famous for afternoon tea culture? United Kingdom. Which country is known for sumo wrestlers? Japan. Which country uses a lot of energy for technology? Japan. Which country also has a very strong passport? Singapore. Which country is famous for creative inventors? Japan. Which country in Africa produces much gold? South Africa. Which country has many underground tunnels and caves in Asia? Vietnam. Which European country has many electric vehicles? Norway. Which country is known for beautiful blue eyes? Sweden. Where is the coldest place on Earth located? Antarctica. Which mountain is the second tallest in the world? K2. Which desert is the coldest in the world? Antarctica Desert. Which is the second deepest ocean trench? Tonga Trench. How much of Earth's surface is land? %29. Which ocean is the largest in the world? Pacific Ocean. The Sahara Desert is often called the what of Africa? Heart. Which sea animal is known to be very deadly? Box jellyfish. Which country is known for freezing winters? Russia. Where was Earth's lowest temperature recorded? Antarctica. What is the largest city in Australia? Sydney. Which city is the largest in Canada? Toronto. Which Indonesian city is famous for tourism? Bali. What is the largest city in Kazakhstan?
Almaty. What is the biggest city in Germany by population? Berlin. On which continent can you find Argentina? South America. On which continent is Morocco found? Africa. Which continent is the largest by area? Asia. Which continent has the fewest countries? Antarctica. What currency is used in the United Kingdom? Pound. What currency is used in Pakistan? Rupee. What currency is used in China? Yuan. What is the main language spoken in Argentina? Spanish. What is the main language spoken in Portugal? Portuguese. In which country did the ancient Greeks live? Greece. In which country is Big Ben located? United Kingdom. The Great Wall is located in which country? China. Where can you find the Eiffel Tower? France.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.